Okay, YouTubers, this is a Tesup update for everybody around the world. I went back to my original video and I noticed it did have the same cogging. It spins, but it's got a short. This short's even worse now. I guess it's gotten worse over the time, but it does not. It moves, and it moves on the bearings, but there's a shorting in the windings. I did an ohm test. Now that I have it out, it did not correctly check for the positive. One ohm is 14, the other one's 12, one's 6. So there's a short inside the casing. Unfortunately, no one does repairs in this area in New Jersey. That's worthwhile getting this thing repaired. It's not worth it to spend money. There's no data plate. There's nothing there for them to reference. So I went on, and which everybody out there needs to do that bought a Tesup that does not work, which I know there's a lot of them out there. Original sales purchase sheet, $1,400.20. Then I went and enrolled in the website for the UK. This is basically money claim online. That's the main thing you look for. You fill it out, even though you're not in that country, you fill it out stating where you're at. USA for myself, Tesup for the defendant, me, the amount, and they automatically do is, which is nice, they tag on the court cost right into the claim amount. So that takes care of that. I just received this today on 1st of June. This was sent out on the 22nd to Tesup. They'll consider it deemed served on the 27th to Tesup. The defendant has the 10th of June to reply, which is only 10 days away. And then they have the procedures for that after that, and then what happens for the guidance after that. So if they don't reply or failure to reply. So hopefully Tesup tallies up and pays me back for a defective wind turbine and all the problems and turbulations that I've had doing this thing. So as of now, this thing is a brick, and I tried to get Tesup several times via emails. Send me a new generator. Send me a new generator. I'd be happy. You know, I'd set the whole thing back up. But in the meanwhile, beyond that, you probably saw here, those are distorted from the heat and all the things that. So what I'm redoing is this. I made my own. I did this at an 1/8" plate. These are going to be TIG welded in place. I'm probably going to curve them a little bit to match the curve of the blade. And I'm going to go with 6. So TIG welding 6 of them. They're both going to have a channel like so. So I can slide the blade in between the two. And I'm going to bend them on the same radius so they have the same curve. TIG weld them in place. Have 2 small stainless steel bolts that go through here to hold the blade. I reconditioned the one, you know, sanded it back down, smoothed out the edges. It's pretty rough, but it'll work. Anyway, those are the blades I'm going to continue to use. 6 of them, double-sided. So that'll be the next thing. I'm slowly but surely getting to that. I have a lot of things going on with my bees right now, and swarms and thermal inspections and all that stuff. So that's it. Dead in the water. This thing does not work. Took it to a generator shop locally. The guy won't even touch it. He said there's no data on it, and they don't rewind things that have shorts in them. So that's about it. That's the update. And I hope, once again, everybody out there, there is a money, let me get the wording on that correctly. Money claim online. And that's where you go for the address and everything. And you can file. And once you file, they send you a number, which is in there for the postal numbers and all that stuff. And they also give you a claim number. So my claim number over here is set there for now. And they give you a government number for the actual website when you actually log in and you register. So hopefully everybody does that. That had problems with Tesup, contact me. I'll walk you through it, whatever it takes. Maybe we can put these guys out of business for the fraud. That's it for now.